In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Weebly email quickly and efficiently, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your account for personal reasons or business purposes, we've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. So, let's dive right in. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the Weebly website. You can either type Weebly into your search bar or directly go to weebly.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the Weebly homepage. Look for the Login button, which is usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that button. After you've clicked on Login, you'll notice several options for logging in. Since Weebly is integrated with Square, an efficient way to access your Weebly account is by selecting the Login with Square option. Click on that and enter your Square credentials. If you're not already registered with Square, you might have to sign up first, which is a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Weebly account's dashboard. Look towards the top navigation and click on Overview. This gives you a general layout of everything you need for your Weebly site management. From here, you're able to access various features and settings related to your Weebly account. Next, focus on finding the General tab. Usually this is located within the dashboard menu options. Click on General and you'll be guided to a new page that contains different settings concerning your account, including the ability to edit personal details and account preferences. On the General settings page, keep an eye out for an option labeled Edit. Clicking this will allow you to make changes to various account details. You're getting closer to changing your email now. Finally, look for the section labeled Email. Once you've found it, click on it. This is where you'll be able to update your email address associated with your Weebly account. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your email on Weebly. Remember to verify your new email address through the confirmation email that Weebly might send, ensuring that all future communications and updates are delivered to the correct inbox. This process is vital for maintaining access to your Weebly services and receiving important notifications regarding your site. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your websites effectively.